Coming up in this video, I've got 3 very simple but very tasty cocktails that you can make using Kuro's Soft Peach flavoured gin. So if you want to know what they are, if you want some amazing cocktails for your weekends, for your pubs or bars, then stay tuned. Hey, Steve the Barman here, and this channel is predominantly all about helping you to drink, enjoy and serve better quality drinks. Primarily focusing on gin and tonic and gin cocktails. But if you like the sound of that, if you like what I'm doing, then I'd really appreciate you hitting that magical subscribe button. Welcome back, gin fans. So this is part 3 of my kind of trilogy all about Kuro's Soft Peach flavoured gin. In the first video I did the review, told you the history of the gin, where it comes from, about the guys, Craig and John. In the second video I did the tonic water serves. In the third video, this is what I'm doing now. I'm rolling out 3 videos for each gin, and in this video, the third video, I've got 3 amazing cocktails for you. So if you want to know about the gin, go and check out the other videos. If you want to know what tonic waters to use, it's all there. I'll stick links up after a couple of days. If you're watching this as soon as it's published, then well, this will be alright. This will be the third one, but the other 2, you know, they'll be kind of linked as and when all 3 come out. There we go. Right, so let's get into it. The first cocktail I'm going to make for you is a peach and pineapple Collins. Okay, I'll give you a little flip on this as well. You could do something differently, but I'll tell you why I've used certain ingredients. So it's going to go in a lovely tall glass. This is another one from the Drink Stuff stable. I'll drop links of where you can get those from at home. I'm just going to quickly ice this up. So just fill it completely with ice, like loads of ice. Why do we put loads of ice in our glasses? Not to water down the drinks. We put more ice in our glasses so it's colder, it stays colder for longer, so it dilutes less or more slowly, meaning you don't get watered down drinks. Let's dispel that myth. I keep dropping that in from time to time. People go, oh, less ice, don't want to water it down. Rubbish. More ice, the less watered down it is. Anyway, sermon over. Let's get onto it. I'm going to make this in a shaker. So we're going 50 ml of our gin going in there. So 50 ml. We are going, what should we go next? We're going lemon juice next. So I'm going 25 ml here. 25 ml. There we go. So that's freshly squeezed lemon juice there. Now, the pineapple, there's 2 ways you could do the pineapple. I did try this with pineapple juice first off, and as lovely as the finished drink was, and it was amazing, what I found is that actually it kind of dialed down the peach a little bit. So what I've actually changed up, I used for the pineapple juice, I used sugar syrup, but actually for this one, I'm going to use a Monin's pineapple syrup, which you can get online really easily. It's about £5 a bottle, if that. Again, I'll drop links where you get this. Now, I'm going to use 15 ml of this. Now, I keep banging on about this measure. If you're a bartender, you need one of these at home. Let's just put that there for the close-up. This is my Mezclar Precisio Measure. As you can see, it's all lined in there, 5 ml increments, so you can do 5 ml, 10 ml, 15 ml, whatever you need. I'm going 15 ml. So it's a pineapple flavoured sugar syrup. That goes in there. So we've got our 3 ingredients. We've got our gin, our sugar, our lemon juice. We're just very, very quickly going to shake this. It's not too much going in there. We just need to combine it a little bit. I'll show you why I'm going to shake it in a second. It's a quick hard and fast shake. There we go. Now, what I'm going to do now is we top it up. A Collins is soda water. You could add, I did use a different soda, Franklin's & Sons Pineapple and Cardamom soda a couple of videos ago. That was lovely. I just found it was a bit too bold in this, so I'm just going to use plain soda sparkling water. Normally you tip it in there. I'm just going to pop it in the shaker first. It's a cool little trick. Kind of mixes up and you don't get those layers straight away. When I'm on events, the soda water will go in because I'm probably making sort of 4 at a time. But I'm just going to pour that in there straight away. There we go. Garnish. I've got a pre-cut wedge of pineapple here. Again, if you've got peaches or anything like that, absolutely lovely. But that is a very, very simple, so easy to make peach and pineapple Collins. It's one of those that's not overly sweet at all. If you like your really fruity sweet drinks, that's there. Not for you. It's not sour. You could dial down the lemon juice a little bit if you wanted to, but you can't. You get the pineapple there, the peach comes through right at the end. It's just a lovely summer refreshing drink. You could make that in a gin balloon as well if you really wanted. So that's the first cocktail. That's my peach and pineapple Collins. Right, so coming up in the second cocktail, we're going to do a peach and apricot spritz. Okay, so spritz is kind of, think Aperol spritz. If you've watched any of my videos, think that blood orange spritz. So that's what we're going to make next. Now this, no need to shake this one, we're going straight into it. I like these ones. You could use a gin balloon. I've got really cool sized wine glasses for that. They're perfect. They fit on my gin trees quite well as well, my porn star martini trees. So these work very, very well. So first things first, I'm just going to put a little bit of ice in the glass first. Okay, right, then we're going 50 ml of our gin. Okay, 50. 45, but 50 ml. So we've got our gin in there. Now the next ingredient one is apricot brandy, okay, or apricot liqueur. Some supermarkets, the biggest supermarkets, actually will sell this. They might have their own brands. They might do the Kuiper, they might do this one, Bowls. I'll drop links into the show notes. If you're going to be ordering that online anyway, you can get that even cheaper online. This is my preferred brand. There's so many different brands of liqueurs out there, doesn't matter. So we went 50 ml in there. I'm going 25 ml of apricot brandy, okay? So we've gone quite a lot now. There's 3 shots in there. The apricot brandy is what, 24%? So it's not, you know, not massive. So that's that. The next ingredient is soda water. I'm going 50 ml of soda water, 50. Alright. Now, while we've got a bit of ice in there, again, this is how I do my spritzes. I'm just going to give that a quick stir, combine that. Cool. That's lovely already. Right, now we're going to top that up with some more ice. And then I've just got my Prosecco. And I'll measure it, but you're looking at about 75 ml. Traditional recipes for spritzes are 1, 2, 3, 1 part soda, 2 parts alcohol, 3 parts Prosecco or whatever. I do slightly more. I kind of go 2, 2, 3. So I've got 50 ml there, and I've got 75 ml there. There we go. Now, garnish wise for this, I actually really like a mint sprig in here. You could kind of do, I've got some, I haven't got any peaches, I've got plum there, I've got nectarine, that'll kind of work. Actually, let's go nectarines in there. Let's go nectarine. Slice that down, slice that down. There we go, this is going to be amazing, right? Let's pop that in there. 2 of those, that'll do. Maybe a sprig of mint as well. Let's pimp it up. It's all about that first visual aspect. There we go. Nectarines in there, mint sprig in there, and there we go. That is a peach and apricot spritz. Oh, I tell you what, that is gorgeous. If you like, it's not quite as bitter as an Aperol spritz, because that obviously has got a bitterness to it, but that is a really refreshing summer drink. Really, really love that. I'll be honest, some of you might need a touch of sugar in there as well, just to sweeten up slightly. But for a lot of you, that's going to be amazing. Right, the third cocktail. This one is really, really simple. Very easy. This is kind of a peach mule. So I'm going to fill the glass up straight away. This is about a 14-ounce glass. So I've got my glass filled with ice. Very, very simple to make this one. 50 ml of the gin. Poured straight in there. I'm going to do some lime wedges now. Now mules, you know, lime is for me, it's very much a just to taste. Some bars I've seen will put a whole lime in there. That is way too citrusy for me. I like just a couple of wedges. There's a couple of other things you could do now as well. You'll see these top shelves up here and there, bitters. You can add some bitters. Traditionally you would go Angostura bitters maybe. If I actually had any, I haven't, I thought I did. But Fee Brothers do a peach bitters as well, but you could play about with that, just a burst of flavour. But I'm not going. Actually, let's go orange. I'm going to go orange bitters. Okay, a couple of dashes. 1, 2. I talked myself into that one. There we go. Orange bitters. Bitters to us bartenders like chef's salt and pepper. Okay, it just adds more depth of flavour to cocktails. So that's that. Very simple. Limes. The gin, a couple of dashes of bitters, then I'm going ginger ale. Now, here's the confession. I give Fever Tree's refreshingly light range a kind of a bad rep because tonic water wise, I do prefer their full fat. The one thing they have done very, very well is their ginger ale. Their refreshingly light ginger ale for me is amazing. It's still the best ginger ale on the market. Even Schweppes 1783 I don't think is as good as that, so that's my favourite ginger ale. Interestingly, not my favourite ginger beer. Ginger beer is a very different thing, but ginger ale wise, amazing. Right, cool, let's wedge it on there, there we go. Right, just top that up, there we go. Just give that a quick stir. There we go, let's just try that. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. Amazing. A couple of nectarines in there as well. Another straw. These are biodegradable or whatever they're called straws. Recyclable, not recyclable, whatever they're called straws, but they're lovely. Anyway, there we go. There are my 3 cocktails. Or you could go just a simple gin and tonic. Whatever you fancy. So I hope you've enjoyed that. These are my 3. So we've got a peach and pineapple Collins, we've got a peach and apricot Spritz, and then we've got a peach Mule, all made with Kuro's Soft Peach flavoured gin. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll be back to the gin reviews in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. I'd love to know what you thought, so let me know in the comments below. If you don't want to miss any of my future videos, then I'd appreciate you hitting that magical subscribe button and subscribing to this channel. And if you want to follow me on a daily basis, then you can find me every day over on Instagram at Steve the Barman. I'd love to hear from you, so make sure you send me a DM to let me know you found me over on YouTube. If you want to watch more of my stuff right now, then hit one of the on-screen links and that will take you to my most recent or most related video. I've been Steve the Barman. I'll catch you next time.